Hi, we are doing area and perimeter exercise 20A, question 12, class 9. Each of the equal sides of an isosceles triangle is 4 centimeter greater than its height. If the base is 24 centimeter, find the area and the perimeter of this triangle. Now we know that it is an isosceles triangle. So let's draw one triangle. These two sides are equal sides and this becomes the base. The base is 24 centimeter given. And the equal sides, this is the height of the isosceles triangle. Let the height of the isosceles triangle and the equal sides are related. Equal sides of an isosceles triangle, each of the equal side is 4 centimeter greater than height. So we will assume let the height be h. Then equal side will be 4. It is 4 centimeter greater than the height, so it will be h plus 4. This becomes h plus 4 and this also becomes h plus 4. Now we know in an isosceles triangle, the height of the isosceles triangle, that is the line from the vertex to the base which makes 90 degree, divides the base into two equal portions. So this portion becomes 12 and this also will be 12. The altitude divides the base. What we can say? The altitude, that is the height of an isosceles triangle divides the base. This is the rule, divides the base. So altitude makes 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, we will apply a Pythagoras theorem here. Pythagoras theorem. For where we will apply the Pythagoras theorem? In this small triangle. Okay. We know hypotenuse is the side of the isosceles triangle. H plus 4 ka square is equal to base square plus height square. Right? Now we know this is a Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Perpendicular means height. Fine. So that we have applied in this small triangle which divides, this becomes 12 is my base and height is h and hypotenuse is h plus 4. So we will, by a plus b whole square formula, we will expand it, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. We will apply that formula in this h plus 4 whole square. It will become h square plus 2ab means 2 into h into 4. This is a, this is b, plus b square is equal to 12 square plus h square. So this becomes h square plus 4 2s are 8h plus b is here 4. This b is 4. So 4 square. That becomes 16 is equal to 144 plus h square. Now we know h square will get all the h together and all the constant to the other side. So this becomes h square plus 8h minus h square is equal to 144. 16 goes here, it becomes minus 16. H come here, becomes minus h square. This gets cancelled, plus minus 8h is equal to 144 minus 16 is 128. So h is 128 divided by 8, that is 16. 16 centimeter is the height. And what will be the side? Therefore, equal side will become h plus 4, that is 16 plus 4, that is 20 centimeter. So what will be the perimeter of this particular triangle? two sides are equal, so 20 plus 20, and the base is 24. So this becomes 64 centimeter. Now we have to find the area. This was the perimeter, second is the area. We have the height here, so we can apply the right angle triangle one, half base into height. This become half. Base is 24 because I have to take the full triangle, so I'll take the full base into height. Height we have calculated here, that is 16, right? So this becomes 16. So this become 8 2s are 16, 24 into 8, 8 4s are 32, 3 carry, 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19, and this is the area, so it becomes centimeter square. So this is how we calculate the perimeter and area of this